Hey everybody, this is Abe. I'm at home with Fat Creole Tomato Catering, about to make up some, whoop up some red beans and rice today. Because everybody in my house are either pescatarians or vegan, it's going to be a vegan-based red bean dish today that I'm making. Still the same great flavors, except without any of the pork or smoked turkey product. On the side, I'm going to have either some smoked sausage or fried chicken. But to get started, I already chopped up my seasoning. Let me get my mise en place to show you what I'm working with. All right. So here I've cut up a big yellow and red onion. I did a little jalapeno pepper, bell pepper, and celery. All right. I've been soaking my red beans for about 6 hours or so right now. They're nice and tender, plump, and juicy. Did you see that squirt? All right, here we go. Put it on the pot right there. Put all my aromatics. Put all my aromatics right here inside right now. You know, usually if I'm cooking something, I would saute all the vegetables first, but because it's beans and it's going to go for quite a long time, I'm going to put everything in the pot all at once. So when I make red beans, I put everything in all at once, along with the water to cover, but I don't put any salt product in it, right? I wait for the salt product after about the first hour and so, you know, probably about the first hour and a half, you know, about the first hour, because these are going to go for at least 2.5 hours, right? This is 2 pounds of beans I'm making. I've already started my kettle with hot water, so yeah, I'm getting ahead of the game right now, so it might even be shorten the period. This is a half gallon of water right here into the pot, just about an inch above all the beans, just to get it soaked. Give it a couple of good stirs. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna let this get to a boil, right? We're gonna let this get to a boil, and then we're gonna just slow it down to about medium high. Right now I have it on high heat. I did miss out one thing, guys, that I always put in my bell pepper, into my red beans, sorry, and that's gonna be bay leaves. Here you go. Put a couple of bay leaves. These are some tiny bay leaves. So I gotta find a couple that are not tattered and beat up. Here we go, 1, 2, I'll go 4 today. 3, and 4. There we go. So got the bay leaves in, got the seasoning in, and I'm gonna set my timer here on about an hour and check the beans after an hour. Once I check the beans after an hour, then I'll start putting my salt and pepper into the beans to get it to the flavor that I like. All right. Thank you guys. We'll see you shortly. Bruh. All right, guys. So an hour and 10 minutes have happened already. Let me let you look at the beans. So 2 things, we need to add some more water, or if I had chicken stock, I would add chicken stock. Because it's vegan, I have this stuff called better than bouillon. I have about 2 tablespoons worth right here. Just gonna swish it all in the beans right now. Get it all off. At this point, I'm gonna put my garlic in. Check it out. That's 4 large cloves of garlic that I just crushed. All right. And then I have, right here, I have a tablespoon each of black pepper, coarse black pepper, and kosher salt. I'm gonna sprinkle that in as well right now. This is a little my favorite Creole seasoning. You know, it's not Tony Sachere, but it's something that I put together, and I'll talk about this later in the video. All right. To this pot, I'm going to start stirring. And once again, I have some hot water in my kettle. I'm just going to add the water on in. To about an inch above. And that's going to cook down and get all delicious. At this point also, I'm going to take it down from a rapid boil to about a simmer. All right, so now that I've added some enhancements like salt and pepper. I will add just about half of my container of my Creole seasoning that I put together. Alright? We'll let it go just a little bit more, put just a little bit more water in it. It's about a quart of water that I use. Now I'm just gonna taste the broth. The beans are getting nice and tender also, guys, so. Beautiful. I'm not gonna need much more salt content. Got great flavor. We're just gonna let this continue to just simmer down. And at this point, I'll put on a pot, and I'm setting my timer at this point to 45 minutes. I'll maybe stir it about 2 or 3 times during that 45 minutes, but put the top on it, let it roll, and that's gonna be that, guys. And when we come back, we should have some beans ready to roll. Hey guys, so guess what? Everything is over. We've turned the beans down, and look what's happening here. Hold up, let me get this camera. Creamy. Most have held their form, but the beans are creamy. And these are, as I said, vegan beans. Just delicious, wonderful flavor, great start to it. Man, about to make some rice, and you know what time it is after that. Here, let's do this. Taste some of this. You don't even miss the meat. Bruh. So there you have it, guys. Beautiful red beans. 2 pounds. Lots of beautiful food here. So 1 large yellow and red onion each. 1 large red bell pepper. I can use green, but I like red bell pepper. Use 4 cloves of garlic. 4 bay leaves. Tablespoon of kosher salt, black pepper. Your favorite Creole seasoning. I didn't even have to use it all. 2 big tablespoons of better than bouillon vegetable stock, vegetable base. And hey man, the rest is up to you. Enjoy. Have a nice day. Alright? Listen, we're staying at home. We're all trying to do what's right. Be safe out there, alright? The coronavirus is real. Okay? So definitely segregate yourself, separate yourself, and have a good time. Use this time to get close with your family, play some family games, some board games. You know, I'm gonna kill them tonight in some Monopoly. I can't wait. But let's try and have a good time, alright? Love y'all. Peace.